Hey, what's up guys? Mike Kramer here. How to get started in affiliate marketing is a common question I see in side hustle forums, on websites, and across social media. So maybe you've heard of affiliate marketing, you know you want to do it, but you don't know how to start. Maybe you get the concepts, maybe you don't, but I got you covered either way. So as you may already know, I feel affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners to make their first $1,000 online and scale it to 6 or 7 figures. And if you do it right, you can set it up to be a passive income stream where you make money while you sleep. So today we're going to cover the overview as well as some initial steps for how to get started. Now, I did make in-depth videos on each one of these sections, so at the end I'll share a playlist. I want to make sure that we answer any questions you have or any doubts you might have, the overall concept, how it all fits together, and what tools you're going to need. So the overall concept's actually very simple. You promote a link using your unique affiliate ID that will tie that sale back to you. Somebody makes a purchase and then you get paid a referral commission. There's no secret, there's no weird shenanigans or tomfoolery. Really just, hey, here's the stuff I use and I love it. As simple as that seems, most people are doing it wrong. So the wrong way is to keep posting your affiliate link over and over in every single piece of content that you create every day, just to keep getting more customers and more sales every day. That's a very active business model. Active's bad, you could always start out as active income, but you want to strive for passive income. That's where you can really scale because you're not exchanging your time for money. So your income potential becomes unlimited. So stay to the end to get one of the tips from my next upcoming video on what the biggest mistake is that you want to avoid when affiliate marketing. The right way to do it, or a better way to do it, is to collect their lead info so that you can continue marketing to them in the future. They can always unsubscribe at any time, so you need to keep creating value for them. So how do you get them to even see your offer, to see your links so that they can click them? That's all about the traffic. There are different types of traffic. There's traffic that you buy, traffic that you earn, and traffic that you own. The goal is that you want to drive the traffic that you buy and earn to the traffic that you own. Otherwise, you have to keep earning or paying for the traffic and your income will suddenly stop. So traffic that you buy, you can buy traffic from various providers that are selling ads, any social media platform. Various internet browsers are going to sell ads so that you're the first few results when people type in certain keywords. There are solo ad providers, which are really like email lists, things like that. They're generally poor quality and low converting influencers channels. You can actually pay to have an influencer show a link, share a link, talk about a product and more. There are various ways to have an influencer promote your offer. So I would say avoid any ads at first. It's really an experiment that could pay off later. Definitely use it for scaling once you've learned ad writing and copywriting. Now, traffic that you earn can come from creating content on social media. Other ways to earn traffic is to learn, study, and improve the SEO or search engine optimization on your website. It's how to get your website to rank higher in search results when people go in a search engine and type certain keywords. You can engage with others on social media, like I mentioned, with commenting on other posts and other people's content, interviewing others and sharing your audiences. So that's a great way to collaborate with other channels. Then there's traffic that you own. So ideally you're sending all the traffic to traffic that you own. You own it essentially by having a contact database of the lead and buyer info, such as email addresses. You can now market to them using their email address that you didn't have to, pay for again and again and again. Having a website you can control, SEO algorithms can change a course so that your results aren't going there. They know your website. It's easy to remember. So in your content, you want to share with them the products, services, software, and tools that you find useful and would recommend to somebody else that has those same problems. You want to give them a great offer, a reason to use your links, a reason to sign up and give you their email. You may have heard that it takes at least 7 touch points before a customer is ready to buy. Part of the reason for that is the customer has to familiarize themselves with the product. They have to kind of get to know you or your brand. Almost none of those things happen in an ad, including in a solo ad. Please take a moment and smash that like button. It really helps me out, helps the algorithm so the right people see the right content. So some of the tools you'll need to start your affiliate marketing business, one of the crucial, most key components that I'd say if you get nothing else and you're trying to go all free or cheap and you're just going to use social media, which is fine, don't just throw your link out there and send them to another company. Build your brand, build the traffic that you own, build your email list. So you're going to need an email software tool. It should be able to send an email sequence, which we call an email autoresponder. It should be able to compose and send email newsletters. Your email tool should also offer tracking for both both open rates and click rates of the links within your emails, as well as grouping or tagging by category, by email list, group, or even type of customer. So click the link below in the description for the one that I recommend that offers all of these features and even more. It even offers what we call a funnel builder or a sales funnel builder and a website builder all in one with all the email tools and automation for a low monthly price. Check that out in the description below, the link that's just called Email Software Tool. What on earth is a funnel builder? I thought you might ask that. So a funnel builder helps you build what we call a sales funnel, which is a term used to direct or funnel your customer to a specific product or service that you want them to buy. Think of it as a mini website with one focused purpose: to sell your product. So here's one of my funnels. You can see it. It hooks the customer. It tells them exactly what the offer is, and has a simple sign up to learn more via email. All you have to do is put in your email address and boom, you get the free video training. So it just has a simple sign up and they learn more by just putting the email address in. From there, it goes to what we call a thank you page or a bridge page. And that's to not only familiarize themselves with you and your product, but to give some information and pre-frame the product or the offer that you're promoting. So you might ask, why do I use ClickFunnels if GetResponse does everything for me? It's for a few reasons, actually. One is the best marketers in the world all use ClickFunnels and share their valuable proven templates and funnels with all of us using ClickFunnels. It also has tons of video training in there, not just for their product, but for sales and marketing skills as well. Their entire ecosystem is so valuable and so many top earners and great minds share all their ideas on their platform and in their funnels, as well as in ClickFunnels' own multiple Facebook groups. I always recommend people get started with ClickFunnels to get all the proven 7-figure templates and funnels out there and learn them. So you can get started with a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels by clicking the link in the video description below. So the overview of the right way to get started with affiliate marketing and be successful and actually start making money is to pick a niche that you want to be in. Subscribe to my channel. You're not going to want to miss the valuable content I'm sharing with you that I'm learning from a 7-figure affiliate earner. So the other thing, of course, that you're going to need is an affiliate program that you belong to so that you could actually make money. Because people ask, well, where do I find these links? It's just by signing up with an affiliate program. The affiliate program, sometimes you have to apply and you'll get a unique affiliate ID and a unique link that you can then use to promote that product. Truth be told, they're everywhere. You can actually Google any product and the word affiliate after that or affiliate program, and you'll find usually at the bottom of the page their affiliate sign up, and you may or may not get approved. Some are easier than others, but it'll list out the percentage commissions, etc., the guidelines, and usually there's an application that you sign up to get started. I also urge people to start creating content right away. So once you figure out your niche or you're kind of close even, just start creating content, because a lot of the affiliate programs want to see that you're creating content and that you're active and that you're not somebody they would avoid doing business with. Then I'd say look for the affiliate links and start sharing them in your content. You talk about how one of the products solved a problem for you and why you love it so much, and people will come to the conclusion that they need that product as well to solve their own problems. But don't tell people they need it, because people don't like being told what to do. Basically. So from there, here's the key part: is you're collecting their email address, right? So you can keep email marketing to them. Even if you don't have newsletters and you don't know how to write them and whatnot, still collect those. Just don't get discouraged if you see a lot of people opting in and not many making a purchase. Getting a little hoarse again. Just been filming a lot of videos this week. So it's a lot more powerful and really a lot more honest to just focus on things that you use and love and would recommend to certain people in that price point. So, and please remember, smash that like button so you can do that and be an affiliate for any company or product directly. But there are also what's called like affiliate networks. The network handles the sign up and the management of all the affiliates, the payments and all that sort of stuff. It acts as like a third party. And then the benefit to you as an affiliate is you could join one of these networks and then market, multiple different products. Now, some of them you have to apply individually. Others, like let's say Amazon Associates, once you apply to them, they can approve you and you could start promoting anything that's on their website. Now, it's certainly not a bad way to get started. I'm not a huge fan of those because they have very low commission percentages. Like Amazon just lowered theirs to 3% last year. ClickBank varies, really depends on the product or service that you find within ClickBank. There are a bunch of other affiliate networks. I'll list some of them here on the screen. You could go check them out for yourself. But that's the concept, is you want to find the niche, find these affiliate programs, sign up for some networks, just pick a few and get started. Don't like spend, weeks trying to sign up for everything out there. You make the most money focusing on just a small set of great products that you believe in and want to promote. I'm not a big fan of the people that do like daily deals sites or groups. They might have a huge following, but they're posting 100 links a day or 50 links a day. And it goes back to the very active business model that I'd like to avoid, because I want to grow passive income. Remember, active's bad. That's my Mr. Mackey impression. I don't know how it was, pretty bad. Yeah. Simple concept, but you add a few more components and make sure you follow my tips to do it the right way and to build a real business that will turn into passive income over time. You want to have that link go to where you're collecting their info, their lead info. From there, you're pre-framing this product that you think will help solve their problem. And then from there, they buy the product. The big tip I want to give you that'll be in my next video, I'll cover it, as well as other mistakes you want to avoid as an affiliate marketer, is to not promote competing products. It's very confusing to the customer, and you don't promote a bunch of products either, because that's confusing to the customer, and a confused mind never buys. Do I go this way? Do I buy that one? Oh, what do I buy that one? So remember, all you need is social media, your phone, hopefully a computer. I find it a lot easier to type on a laptop or computer, and don't try to do like 10 different social media platforms. Just do one, maybe two, but be consistent and target your audience. Find out where they're hanging out, whether it's a Facebook group, whether it's an online forum, a certain social media platform. Think about your niche. Think about where your target customers hang out. Think about what products will solve problems for them or that you would recommend for them. And then look for affiliate programs for those things, for those services or products. Now, I do recommend looking for digital products and services, because you'll get a higher commission. Often, even better if it's recurring every month and you're getting income from the same people every month, as well as higher priced items, which I talked about in my last video. So just to bring it all home, some people made that purchase, right? And the people that didn't, you can keep sending them the email marketing. You could recommend a lower price point if you think that was their objection. Just try to get feedback and see what their objections are and speak to those objections. Don't confuse the customer and try to just throw anything that sticks out there. Really just go with what your recommendations are and stick to them, and keep sending that message of why this is the best product to solve that problem. So everyone is so worried about what are people gonna think of me, and I'm not gonna do it right, I'm gonna screw up. Those are actually your superpowers. So think of Spider-Man or whoever your favorite hero is. They all have flaws, at least one. That's what makes them likable and relatable. And you end up rooting for them, like rooting for the underdog and saying, hey, I want to see that person succeed. So if you share more stuff and make mistakes, it's actually better. So I have another video I'll put up here about just get started, just hit record, because if you're considering YouTube or really any other content platform for that matter, just get started right away, because like I mentioned earlier, the affiliate programs are going to look for your content and it's something they want to be associated with, but also you're gonna learn as you go, and you're not gonna learn until you get started. Overall concept is you have your niche, you found your target customers, you're promoting the stuff that's gonna solve their problems. They click your links and they get into your sales funnel, right? You capture their email, you can keep marketing to them. They may move on to buy the product now, or if not, maybe a year from now. I've seen that. They're like, oh, you know what? I'm ready now. And then they see your email still. You're still out there recommending the same stuff, preferably, or a new version of the same thing. They buy that from you because you stay top of mind with them, and you have your finger on the pulse, the same things that they're into in that niche. So that's the overall concept. So let me know in the comments below if there's some part of that that didn't make sense, or you want me to go over a little bit more. So I like to get your feedback and know what videos that you're gonna want to see next, and I'll make them for you. This is like choose your own adventure, except it takes me like 15 hours to make one of these. Let me know in the comments where you're at in your affiliate marketing journey, or you've tried another business model. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. And as always, take it easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how, I don't remember, but then I go into picking a niche, nacho. Yeah, I'm a nunchuck master. Why do you think I got the shirt? Every now and then when you think you're getting better and you're going faster and faster, I would just like pop one of my elbows with the wood. I got these in Chicago's Chinatown. And these are, they call them speed chucks or mini chucks. So they're more portable. I'm gonna probably hit something. That's all you need to get started.